welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a little bit different for you guys. I know that here I tend to focus on beauty content, but I also would like to share lifestyle and home things on occasion, so that is going to be what we're going to be focusing on today, because really this year I've been trying to take a further step towards a more sustainable, eco-friendly lifestyle, and I have a few favorites that I've been using, and one that I finally just got in the mail that I want to share with you guys, but a few favorites that I want to share with you in hopes of showing you the small shifts that you can do to really help be kind to our planet. And I know that that's something that my boyfriend Jeremy and I have really been focusing on, not just this last year, but over time. But this year I was like, okay, I really need to start taking a look at some of the things that I could do, just small shifts that really make a big difference in the end. So I have a few products to share with you guys today. I'm very excited. So if you are also looking for small changes that you can make to make a more positive impact on our planet, then we'll get right into it. All right, so this first company that I want to talk to you guys about is one that I found through searching on Instagram for companies with cleaning products that would be a bit more eco-friendly, especially when we're talking about the packaging of all of these items that we're using nowadays, right? So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about Blueland. So I saved this to show you. I was really interested in their hand soaps, but I found a couple other items that I definitely want to try, and one that we've also actually really been enjoying. One of the main goals of this company is to reduce the amount of plastic that we're using in all of our products. Like if you think about every time that you buy a hand soap or a dish soap or a laundry soap, all of those things are in a big plastic bottle that we end up either throwing away or recycling, but it's still plastic used. And on the Blueland website, it says that 14 billion pounds of trash is dumped into the ocean each year. And 8 billion tons of plastic trash are still on the planet. So if you think about every time that you purchase one of those plastic products, you are adding to the problem. The other thing that I love about Blueland products is that they're all super concentrated and you add your own water to them. If you think about how much money we spend shipping products that are full of water, and if we can add our own water at home, that reduces the carbon footprint incredibly. So let's talk first about the hand soap, since that's what really got me interested in this brand. Now, you can choose to buy their little kits. I did buy a kit that came with 2 of these bottles and I think 6 packs of their little tablets. So this is exactly what you do. You take your bottle, and this is a nice glass bottle, so you'll be able to reuse it forever. The way that this works is you're going to take the bottle that comes in your kit, or in all honesty, if you have bottles at home that you prefer to use, you could probably do that, but these are really nice bottles. I think that they go nicely in any bathroom and they're really sturdy. So I really like these. I'm glad that we got these. But you'll take it, fill it to the line with water, and then you will add your tablet. Now, I think that as far as the hand soaps, there are 3 scents. There is the lavender eucalyptus, there is the iris agave, which is the one that we're currently using, and then there's this perrine lemon. And I am gonna go ahead and do the lavender eucalyptus today, because I'm gonna actually drop this in here for you guys. So I'm gonna take this top off. Okay, so I've got the top off. I've got my little tablet here. This one smells really nice and light. Like, that's the thing about these scents, is they aren't like overwhelming. You're gonna get some nice scent out of them, but it's not like bam in your face. So this one's, you know, that herbal like lavender scent. So you'll drop your tablet in, and then if I can like give you guys a peek here. So then this is going to dissolve, and it does take a little while to dissolve. So, you know, if you're in mega need of hand soap, you're not gonna have this ready in 5 minutes. Okay, so we'll set that one off to the side to dissolve, but what I'm gonna do is I'll show you in the one that we've had in our bathroom. This we've had for a good while, and the one thing that I love about foaming soaps is a little goes a really long way. So this is gonna last a really long time, and it does have a beautiful rich foam. So you guys can see that. So this is the iris agave, and it just has a beautiful scent to it. This is probably gonna end up being my favorite one. So if you like something that's like slightly, it's like slightly floral, but also clean, if that makes sense. Now, like I said, the iris agave is probably gonna hands down be my favorite. I'm gonna open up one of these lemon tabs just to be able to smell it. It probably won't smell quite as strong as it would if it was in the water, but for you guys, ooh, this smells really nice. It doesn't smell like lemon cleaner. It smells like the rind of a lemon, if that makes sense, like a lemon peel. It has that very fresh lemon scent. So I think I'm actually really gonna enjoy this as well. Now, if you guys want some pricing info on these, I'll read it off of the website. So the duo of hand soap that we got includes the 2 signature glass bottles, 6 hand soap tablets, and you get 2 of each of the scents that we were talking about, and that is $30. Now, the great thing about this system is once you have your bottles, or if you already have bottles at home, you can choose to just purchase the refill tablets. Now, the tablets are less expensive the more you get, and it comes in 3, 6, or 9, but for instance, 6 tablets is going to be $11, and you can get just 1 scent, or you can get a variety pack as well. Breaking that down, the 6-pack comes out to $1.83 per tablet. So you will get a full bottle of hand soap for less than $2. And you're not throwing that plastic away or having to recycle that plastic. And I will be honest, I was a big Bath & Body Works hand soap person. I loved the foaming hand soaps. They foam up really well. I would say that these foam just as well. It's a little bit different texture, but still a great foam. And, they smelled good. And I also know that putting that much fragrance on all the time is probably not that great for me, but I do like something that smells nice, and these really do smell great, so I think that it's a great, healthier for us and healthier for the planet option, and it's cheaper. I don't think that I've ever been able to get a Bath & Body Works hand soap for under $3 at the cheapest, I think. So I don't know. It's been a long time since I bought hand soap because I was that person that would go in and buy 10 at a time. Anyway, that is the first item from Blueland. You can also, by the way, get a starter kit that just has 1 bottle and 3 of the tablets for $16. Now, the other item that I've been loving is their dish soap. And this is a powdered dish soap, and you can get it in the starter kit with the silicone like shaker. And just like the hand soaps, you can eventually just get the refill pack of the powder that goes into this container. Now, one thing that I like about this is we do have a dishwasher that we use, but we also have times that we just want to wash like 1 or 2 dishes in the sink. And this is great because I can sprinkle a little bit of this out onto that dish and just use a washcloth or whatever, sometimes even just my hands, to be able to clean those dishes. And I'm not filling up a whole sink, and I'm not having to use a lot of soap. A little of this goes a really long way. The other thing is because this does come out kind of granular, it's great when you're wanting to like scrub a dish for the first couple seconds before the granules dissolve. It does help like scrub anything off your dishes. So I've really been enjoying this a lot. The dish soap starter set is $20, and that includes that silicone shaker and then also a bag of the dish soap granules. You can also get a refill pack for like $10 for 1, or it's $18 for 2. So obviously the more you buy, the less that you're going to spend. They do also make dishwasher tablets, which we haven't tried yet. I really am honestly, once we use up our cleaning products that we currently have, I can totally see myself buying some more of these products. Now, they do also have cleaning products. So they have, like, for instance, their cleanup kit comes with 3 reusable cleaning bottles, or like spray bottles that I'll put up here. You get 3 tablets, 1 of each, the multi-surface, the glass and mirror, and the bathroom cleaner. And that is $29. Now, you also do have an option to subscribe so that you will obviously be like auto sent things, and that would save you 10%. They do also have some other kits in here with more products, so you could definitely save if you want to like jump all in. But we really wanted to use up what we have first and then, kind of delve into some of the products that we needed. Now, as happy as I've been with these products, I totally plan on buying some of the cleaning products in the future. So I just wanted to give you guys a little quick review on what we've tried so far from Blueland. Now, the only thing I will say is I was a little bit bummed when this product shipped out, because considering that they are trying to be an eco-friendly company, when I got our shipment, it came with this box that had the dish soap in it, this box that had the hand soap kit in it, and then they were in a much bigger box with like packaging. So while I understand that, you have to package things well, I just felt like it was so excessive for the amount of product that we were getting, how much packaging it was put into. So it sort of seems counterintuitive. It is, of course, all recyclable, which I appreciate, but I feel like I would have been more than happy if they had just slapped labels on these and sent them out as is. But that's just one little thing. Now let's talk a little bit about a couple of the other products that I found. Of course, you guys know, like, once you start shopping on Instagram, you start seeing a lot more of similar products. Like, it's always kind of scary, but that's just what happens. So I found this product from the Zero Waste store, which I really recommend checking out this website if you are looking to sort of reduce your footprint, because they have some really great products. But I found these unpaper towels. So I've just got these on like a roller of my own. Now, these are basically flannel cloths that you use in place of paper towels. So if you have a small spill to wipe up, or you got something on your hands that you just want to wipe off easily, it's a great way to be able to grab one of these instead of using paper towels. Now, that being said, we still have some paper towels in this house. I'm trying to use less, but there are just certain times that a rag like this isn't that great. Now, I also bought a set of these for my salon because there are definitely times that I could be using one of these, throwing it in the laundry with all of the other laundry that I have to do, and really save on using paper. And that's one thing that I think is really important to focus on when you're first like starting this journey is don't feel like you have to like go 100% in right away. Finding those small changes that you can make, even if you reduce your paper consumption by 25%, that's incredible, right? So a little bit about these. I got these in the mixed grays. So there's like a light gray, a medium gray, and then a black. And it was $30.99 for a 12 pack. Now, if you are someone that enjoys sewing, you could probably certainly get some of this thin flannel and do the same thing. I think the reason that it's flannel is this really does like stick to itself. So I just used an old paper towel roll and rolled them right up onto here. So every time we do the laundry, I'll just be able to roll them right back onto the roll. You can also get them pre-rolled, but it is more expensive that way. So let me know, have you guys tried anything like that out? Are you doing anything to reduce your paper consumption? Because I think that that's something that, you know, we really focus on using less plastic, less paper. Like if we're going somewhere, we try not to use straws. Well, Jeremy never uses a straw. I've gotten better and I'm using more like reusable straws and all of that. So again, those small shifts in life. But tell me in the comments down below what some of your favorite things are, some of your, you know, favorite products, or if you have practices that you've put in place that are more planet friendly. I'd love to know your ideas as well. Now, I have one more product to share with you, and this is sort of just gonna be like a little like haul because we haven't tried it out yet. I just got it yesterday. I've been waiting and waiting for this product and it finally arrived. And this is our kitchen composter. So as you guys may know, Jeremy and I have been like really working on our yard and our garden this year, and I've been wanting to start a compost for a long time. He actually used to have one at one point, and while at some point we would like to have a very big compost, I thought that this would be a great way to just start to have enough, you know, that we could like throw into our little like mini landscaped area. Now, essentially what you do is you put your compostable food scraps into this silicone container. You will be able to like start the composting process here. This does have an airflow like toggle so that over time you reduce the airflow as your compost gets going. The thing that I love about this is as much as I want to do great things for the planet, stuff grosses me out. So the nice thing about the silicone is that it's got this little nub here, and so you would just push all of your food scraps out and you won't be left with like gunky hands. And then you just like pull it back in with this. This you could take off and wash. You could probably even throw it in the dishwasher since it is silicone if you'd like to do it that way. So I thought that this would be a great way to get our compost started. And I like that the company added some recommendations for things that you can put in here. Like for instance, the nitrogen rich greens, like fruit and vegetable scraps. You can use coffee grinds, tea leaves, rice, pasta, eggshells. You can also use like trimmings from your house plants. And then it talks about like kitchen and yard browns, like coffee filters, napkins, paper towels, dried leaves, things like that that you can use to like mix in to make the best compost. Now, again, I haven't used this out yet. If you guys would like an update, I can certainly put that in a review roundup coming up, but I'm excited to get this started. By the way, I did get that compost container from the Container Store. So I was actually shopping for shelves for my color bar at the salon, and I needed something to like bump me over that like purchase price to get the free shipping. You guys know how that goes, but I saw this on there, thought it would be great. It is $29.99. I'm sure that there are similar things all over the internet, but I will go ahead and link all of these products, including that compost container down below. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you are excited for some household and like lifestyle videos from me. I think that it's fun to just share things, especially when it comes to making better choices to help take care of our planet. So again, let me know if you guys have any great ideas in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on future videos. So thanks so much, and I will see you guys really soon.